subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL smartphone back in October last year, the company is now reported to launch a lower mid-range variant under the name Pixel 4a, and earlier we saw the leak renders of the smartphone. Recently, a new CAD-based renders of Google Pixel phone has revealed on YouTube channel called Front Page Tech by John Prosser, which is said to be the upcoming Pixel 5 XL smartphone. And although we know it is 9 to 10 months early to talk about Pixel 5, but the John Prosser confirms his sources were reliable before releasing a video on it. And he says there are 3 prototypes in which this is one of them. That means these renders may or may not materialize as Google Pixel 5. The leak render shows only the rear panel of the smartphone that has a unique looking design, and the report says it will feature same soft matte glass back with glossy camera module. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a centrally aligned triple camera setup inside a big U-shaped module including LED flash. And interestingly, it is said to include one ultra wide angle lens which was missing on Pixel 4 devices as per the present market requirement. Apart from this, there is no other details of Pixel 5 XL has leaked so far, and unfortunately we cannot say what could be the front look of the smartphone at the moment. So as of now, that's all we know about the Pixel 5 XL smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.